What's up, YouTube? It's me, Alex here, and welcome back to some more Mortal Kombat X. We're just gonna go straight into it. Actually, we're gonna go into Friendly Reward 2 channel has been used. Claim your reward. What is this? Oh, 350 ally points. Oh, 40 million points. Something thank you for everyone. Okay. 20,000 points. 20 souls. And level up. Wow. Anything else? Faction membership. Reward based on their faction performance this week, except 10,000 coins. Wow. Oh, and 12 souls. That was a lot of stuff. Daily objectives new. Okay, evening login 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. with 2 alliance packs. Special attack on X-ray. Buy a fuser support card. Okay. Buy a fuser support card. Alright, whatever. No. Let's see what is there here. There's not really much here. You know what we're gonna save our souls to get? Another realm pack. Alright, you know what, whatever. Let's just, you know what, I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's just go straight back into battle. Let's see here, yeah. Oh yeah, I remember we were here. Alright, let's fight. Because last time we did not mind battle. Let's see, who should we choose? Machine fire, luck. Rising sword, high attack damage. Eternal vengeance, high attack damage. Yeah, let's go with Scorpion. Scorpion silver. He got higher attack damage and he higher level. So then let's go. Alright, go. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna swipe. Hit. Also, if you don't know, this is the mobile version. Hit. Attack. Oh, close enough. Block. Okay, attack. Block. Attack. Swipe. No, come on. Okay, come on, attack. Right there. Come on. Attack. And use Scorpion. Alright, attack. Yes. Alright, come on. Oh no. Weapon swipe. Boom. Oh no. Come on. Swipe. Whoa. Okay, back down. Yes. Alright, let's see what else. What did we get for that? The card that you want. Okay. Sure, why not? Okay. Alright, what else? Now, let's see. No, we should probably change some stuff about our squad. Let's change stuff about the squad. Scorpion, let's see. We can... Anything on equipment we could put? There we go. See, that's good. Unlock it at level 20, or then we'll just level him up. Use level up card. There we go. Alright, now back. Shira Ryu. Wait. Yeah. Oh, sorry. about that, you guys. What we're also gonna do, we're gonna look at D'Vorah. Yeah, come on, equip, bracers. Your bracelets and bloodstone ring. Come on, get, yes. There we go. Now, what's this? It's only 1,000 quills, but yay! We played a special tag. Yay! Happy ending. Alright. Now we got our squad back in action. We're gonna fight Shiryu, Sergeant, and Kotal Khan. Fight! Who can we use to... I haven't ever used it. Sky Crush. We haven't ever used, Quan Chi, I think that's his name. I forgot. See, I'm forgetting everything. Alright, go. Straight away. Straight block. Straight. No, it's a Scorpion. He takes a hit. Hit him. No. I hit you. I'm supposed to block your attack and then hit you again. And then use the spear. Take your hit. And punch you in your face. Because you don't deserve your face. You ugly anyway. You bald. You look like something out of, I don't even know. Attack. Spear. Even that would kill him. Oh, I just want to see Quan Chi's attack. Ally attack. Boom! Damn, that was sick. That was way sick. Let's see. Yeah, that was sick, man. Alright, let's go. What's next? Okay, we got Cassie Cage, a Monk, and a Saurian. Okay. When D'Vorah is gold? Let's use that. Because D'Vorah is gold in that picture. I have silver. So then what is the difference? We'll find out now. Straight. Block. Oh, damn. Let's go right on the attack. Right. Block. Attack. Block, attack. Use the spear to hit the punch you in your face. Oh shit. Oh, come on. 55, okay.
Can't give it up for that.
You lose your ally. Damn! I didn't even try, man. You will be experiencing the real smash. Boom! You die from it. That's a Scorpion. Come on. How much? Yes. Will that kill him? Yeah! Victory again. Once again. 'Cause we're awesome. You guys are the best fan group that I have. Alright? Now let's go. Next battle. Ding. Ooh, damn. Test your might. Let's use Scorpion for that. No, actually, who's our highest damage person? Yeah, we're gonna go with Scorpion. Come on. Ooh, I hope it's not like a strong one, like it's not a strong one, because I can't tap that fast. 2, 1, 5. Oh god, 3, 2, 1. Go! Hit it! Boom! Yes, we did good. I'm sure that wasn't that hard. Alright, let's go. Whatever. Next. Alright, a Monk Jack and oh! Alright, let's go. That was a yawn, you guys. Yes, I just yawned in the video. Strength and a ball kick. Straight away. You know why? Because the best move you can use right now. Best move. Best move. Best move. Best move. Best life. Hit. Swipe. Okay, block. Hit. Okay, now. Hit her. Use your spear. Hit. Boom. Block. Time to get serious. Hit him. Boom. Oh, go. Come on. Use your Kumo now. Hit him. Battle over already. Victory once again with the Kano ball, even though we don't have Kano, which is amazing because we're the best people. Come on, you guys, say it with me. You're the best. Say it with me. Yeah, come on, you guys. You guys know it. Say it with me. Say it with me again. We are the best. We are the best. We the best. We the best. Come on, you guys know it. Now fight. You guys, we know we can do this. We can do this. Okay, no. Okay, hit. No. Okay, go. Knife. Yes, strike. Hit, punch. Stab, punch. Block, punch. Come on, go. Now use the Kunai perfectly in the middle. Oh no, you hold this one. Not bad. Swipe down. 65. What happened to me today? I don't even know. Don't you dare. You think you could get away with that? You cannot. Just a punch, she was punished. Oh no, who was it? Shit, I don't even know. He was it actually, I don't even know. Rapid swipe. Yeah! Woo! Another battle victory again. Alright, you know what? Let's go. Alright, next battle. Okay. Yeah, we can fight them. They're bronze. We got 2 silvers. Eternal Vengeance, no. Spit Shell. Maybe. Ooh, hello. With Power Drain? I don't even know what that is, but we're gonna find out. I think it drains all their power. We'll find out. Stall. You're pathetic. You are child's play. You'll never beat me in this game. Child's play. Hit him. Okay, block. Hit him. You can't defeat him.
Feel my sting.
Got that right? Alright, spear. Okay, close enough. I'll punch you in your face because you suck. Alright, now. More XP. By Ermac. It was Ermac. Ermac is strong. Okay. Fight number the enemies bite you. The enemies hit you to give them more health. So I gotta block in this one. Ear to ear. Classic Kano. That's a lot of skulls. Which means it'll do good. Right? Yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Punch, punch, punch. Block it, block it, block it. Punch, punch, punch. Punch. You feel weak after this battle. Hit. 95%. Cooldown knives, 100% of their real damage. Oh god, no. Alright, let's see, go. You will not regain more health. Okay, no. Hit. Boom. You
don't look so good.
Ooh, damn. Yes, please. Boom. And another one. Victory with the same cheat move. Yes, they don't deserve to live. We do. Achievement unlocked. Full contact fighter. 7 matches claim. Yes, thank you. No, I wanted to send up a friend request. 1,500 points. 3 swords. And tower complete. Get knocked down, tower. Get knocked down by black smoke. Alright, yeah, so that's the deal here, you guys. We complete 1 tower. And then we go straight back. Unstoppable Jason, Dark Empress, Katana, Ronin, Kenji, Cold War, Soldier, Liu Kang, Aaron Black, Heavy Weapons, Jax, Raiden and Dark Raiden, Revenant and Killing Law. Oh, I want that back. You know what, you guys, it's not gonna be here for long. But you know what, let's just do a few battles, okay? We're gonna do about 4 or 5 battles, I don't know. And, you know, now let's go for fatal battle. Let's go for a fatal battle. Okay, not bad. But prepare to be vanquished. Prepare to be defeated in a pit of skulls and bones. So, block. Hit. Come on. Alright, you know, focus. And then, here, punch him in the face. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot, here. Oh, no, I did that wrong. Punch. Stab. Though those won't do much. Swipe up. Attack. Sick. Come on. Get over here. Cool enough. you know, block, attack. Victory against levels higher than me and higher characters than me. Get wrecked, son. Alright, what else do we get? 1,000 red things and 100 warp points. That's good. And so if we beat all of them? I'm assuming all of them. Yeah, it's all of them. Let's see what we get. I hope we defeat all of them. Alright, let's go. In the fatal battle of blood and skulls. Fight. No, skull. Let's go use that skull. Hit. Block. Hit. Flip down. And use the spear. Poison all of them. Oh no. Oh god, no. Spear again. Hit him. 100%. Punch. Let's go. Boom. Come on. Oh, another spear. Come on. Boom. And boom. Victory against our second battle. Alright, come on. Remember, you guys, this video's already getting too long as it is, but we're gonna have to finish this, okay? We're gonna finish it. Alright. Oh, damn. Oh, shite balls. Alright, let's go. We can do it. Everyone screaming with me. We can do it. Go. Hit him. Block. Attack. Swipe. Block. Swipe. Okay. Block. Hit. Block it. Hit him. Spear. He's not staying at all. Yes. Boom. Your bombs take control of everything. Yes. Here we go. Sub-Zero. Oh, still have all three of my characters with attack. She lost a whole Sub-Zero. Damn, that's a cool move. Damn, I'm impressed by it. Alright, let's go, let's see. Alright. Too easy, man, too easy. Don't worry, it's only one soul. Alright, come on. Do I? Yes. Fight! Let's get it back up. Let's get back up in this house of madness. Attack. Attack, swipe. Hit, come on, yes, we know we can do it. Okay, 86, that was good enough. Okay, attack. Oh, come on. We know we can do this. Come on. And no one will ever stop us. Okay, here we go. Block it. And you know you'll use that B thing again. Let's go.
Feel my sting.
Okay. Alright, you know what? Spear. Let's go. Dun. Oh no. He did a lot. He spared me. Thank God. Step. Swipe. Pieces. Yes. 85. You know what? Yeah, a lot of damage. Alright, come on. You know what? I'll resume it when we defeat Johnny Cage. Well, sadly, I lost. And I don't like that. But did we get any reward? Okay. We didn't make it to the top, but at least we fought. We fought with our hearts. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. You guys want to see more MKX battles in action? Let me know down in the comments. But until then, stay tuned for the next episode of Mortal Kombat X. Yeah!